How to take care of your electric vehicle battery. EVs on the market today use lithium-ion batteries, like the kind in your cell phone or laptop. But there are two distinct types: nickel-free LFP, lithium iron phosphate, batteries, and high-nickel NCM, containing nickel, cobalt, and manganese oxide. Some EVs will notify you when you've charged beyond your daily driving limits. Definitely across the board you don't want to fully charge it or fully deplete it, who says? You want to avoid below 10% and more than 90%. Is cold weather bad for EV batteries? Charging an EV in frigid weather can not only shorten the lifespan of its battery, it can actually damage it, especially if your car has been parked outside. He suggests driving around to warm up first instead of charging your vehicle directly.